Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Throwback Thursday, y'all. And I'm out here with another one of my classics at the park that I like to fly at. The sun is starting to go down, and so it should be perfect for showing the lights on this little thing here, this little drone that I have. I had an urge to fly this thing. The Eachine X6 hexacopter, and as you can see, this thing is mission matched. I have flown this on the channel before, and so I have a link in the description so you guys can check out the initial review to this, maybe if I can find that, dig that video up, and also some past flights of this thing. So I did do a modification on it. Check it out. It did not come with that connector on it, and that was for these batteries. I explained that in another video, and hopefully I'll find that video and pin it to the bottom, or maybe I'll just put that in the description, a link to the other video where I talked about making this modification. But let's get this guy up in the air. I am going to fly this thing with my Devo 12E with deviation. It was sitting in my car, so hopefully the battery isn't affected too much by the cold and all. Oh man, it looks like it's flashing. So the battery was affected by the cold. This thing was sitting in my car the whole time I was at work, but at least I did get this thing in the air. Won't be able to get any flips off with it. So we get a flashy flight. One of my absolute favorites. And very rare, extremely rare. Something happens to this thing, I don't think I'll be able to get another one. I do have two of them though. Love the sound that this thing makes. A little pass with it. One more pass. No altitude hold on this guy. Had to remember that tree was behind me. Wouldn't want to smack this thing into a tree. Check it out up close. A lot of people don't like hexacopters. Because they're a little harder to keep the orientation of these guys. Check it out. The lights are meant to help here. You have a blue light in the middle, 4 white lights in the rear, 2 blue lights in the front. But I can see how that can still be confusing for somebody. bring this guy in. I don't want him to fall down. I can't remember if this thing lands gently or if it just falls out of the sky. On LVC, that is, low battery voltage, low voltage warning. So bring this guy in. Ishin X6, y'all. Hexacopter flight, Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.